Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ibu, and thank you, Mr. Syed. Yeah, what a wonderful explanation. So we need to do promotion in order to prevent the NCDs. Yeah, and but another problem, like we already done the promotion and we are educated related to NCDs, but sometimes it's hard to change the behavior. So not to consume sugar or not to eat late at night. Yeah, that's the awareness that we need to build. Okay, thank you, Mr. Said, for your presentation. It's a wonderful presentation. Now we're moving to our next speakers. Okay. So you leaving, Mr. Said? Okay, now please give a round big applause for Mr. Syed for his presentation before leaving the room. Thank you very much once again. And now we have Dr. Sofian Sufri as STM, PhD with us. So Dr. Sofian is a bachelor's in medical surgical nursing from Poltekkes Kemenkes Aceh, a master's in international public health, and a PhD in public health from Griffith University, Australia. His research has focused on disaster preparedness and community engagement in Aceh. And he has extensive nursing experience with Médecins Sans Frontières and the International Medical Corps. Today, he will present on the implementation outcomes of Convergence Action Policy to accelerate stunting reduction in Aceh Province. Okay. So that's a qualitative study, but before Mr. Sofian deliver his presentation, so there will be documentation with Mr. Said first. Thank you. See you in another occasion. Okay, now please join me in welcoming Dr. Sofian Sufri to the stage to deliver his speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for being here. Let's say thank you to Allah. Has given us help with strength, us, in order to be here. Thank you very much for inviting me here in the Aceh International Conference on PEP.